Good day, everyone, especially to our teacher, Ma'am Regine Pichon. So now I would like to discuss and tackle about the leave and the retirement benefits of the teachers in Section 24. Section 24 study leave, in addition to the leave privilege now enjoyed by teachers in the public schools, they shall be entitled to study leave not exceeding 1 year after 7 years of service. Such leave shall be granted in accordance with the schedule set by the Department of Education. So, let's continue. So, are teacher entitled to receive retirement benefits? The returnee must have rendered at least 15 years of service and must be at least 60 years of age upon the retirement. He or she must not be a permanent total disability pensioner. Unlike other retirement modes, the last 3 years of service of a returnee need to be continuous under RA 8291. How much the retirement pensions of a teacher, of those teacher? So the maximum monthly pension for those above 57 years old shall be 80% of the average monthly salary, or EMS, received during the last 3 years immediately preceding retirement. The maximum pension of for those aged 57 years and below shall be 75% of average monthly salary, or EMS. So, what are the new retirement age, or uh, anong edad ang pwede retired na when it comes the teachers? So, the current full retirement age is 67 years old for people attaining age 62 in 2024. The age for the Medicare eligibility remains of 65 years old. So let's continue. There are types of leave in DepEd. What are those types of leave in DepEd? Teachers leave. Teachers shall not be entitled to the usual vacation and sick leave, but the proportional vacation or vacation pay, or PBP. So that's all for today, and have a good day, and God bless everyone.
Good morning to all. I'll be the one to report the leave and retirement benefits in Section 24, study leave. In addition to the leave privilege now enjoyed by teachers in public schools, they shall be entitled to the study leave not exceeding 1 school year after 7 years of service. Such leave shall, shall be granted in accordance with a schedule set by the Department of Education. For example, the teacher is taking master's degree while teaching, so the teacher have study leave wherein the school allow him or her not to report in school, then focus to the master degree study. It is only applicable to the public school and have a license for teachers and teachings. Then, during the period of such leaving, it shall be granted in accordance with the schedule set by Department of Education. It entitled at least the regular salary that they can get, and while they get the study leave, they can get 60% in monthly salary. That's all.
Everyone, my topic is about leave and requirement benefits, or RE for 670, the Magna Carta for public school. The compensations allow for 1 year study leave as herein provided shall the subjects to the conditions that the teacher take the regular study load and passes at least 75% of these courses. Study leave for more than 1 year may be permitted by the Secretary of the Educational but without compensations. So, during kung ikaw mag-graduate or mo take all board exam, we need makakuha kag 70% to take the board exam para ikaw makatudlo in a public school. Study leave, ano ginatawag na study leave or not exist one. School year may be granted whom rendered at least 70 years in service. So, teacher shall he entitled to all less than 75% of his monthly salary, provided he take regular study load and passes 75% the courses. If dili ka makapasa sa 75% in board exam, we're not mahimo nga dili ka ma-regular in the school public. That's all. Thank you.
Good afternoon, Ma'am Pichon. I am Lenny I. Padilla from BEd second year, and now we will tackle about the leave and retirement benefits. So now in section 25 says indefinite leave. An indefinite sick leave of absence shall be granted to teachers when the natures of the illness demands a long treatment that will extend 1 year at the least. It seems like you're referring to a section outlining indefinite sick leave and absence for teachers. This provision suggests that if a teacher's illness requires prolonged treatment lasting more than a year, they may be granted indefinite leave and absence. This policy likely aims to provide support and flexibility for teachers facing serious health issues that require extended time away from work. In this topic, we learned that if a teachers have a critical health issues, they have a chance to grant indefinite leave to secure and take care of their health without fear of losing their job. And as a future educator, we are greatly blessed because the policy of Magna Carta is very concerned about the health issues of the teachers. So that's all. Thank you.
My name is Marcel Ubayo. Let's continue our reports, leave and retirement benefits. Section 26, salary increase upon retirement. Public school teachers having fulfilled the age and service requirements of the applicable retirement laws shall be given one raise, salary raise upon retirement, which shall be the basis of the computation of the half sum of the retirement pay and the month's benefits thereafter.